and welcome back to 2-Minute Tuesday. For this video, we're going to be walking through the Burn It to Learn It class that we put on June 7th. We had 4 different speakers put on the class portion of the day. We had Dave Matizik, who is an Ohio subrogation attorney. We had Tom Benson, who is the owner of Benson Fire and Safety Consulting. We had Tim Thompson, who is the owner of Thompson Building Associates. We also had Nick Warner, who is the owner of Warner Energy Storage Solutions. During the class, we talked about fire investigation and what you should expect when going into a fire investigation, and then also the role of the restoration consultant once they come in after the fire investigation has been completed in that residency. We had property managers and insurance agents there with us today that could earn CE credits through Thompson Building Associates, and then we also had firefighters there that could earn credits through Benson's Fire and Safety Consulting, and then we also had Ohio subrogation attorneys there to just learn the processes. Once the classroom portion of the day was completed, we moved outside to where our pods were set up. We had one pod set up as a kitchen where we had a stove top grease fire starting, and then the next pod was a boy's bedroom where a lithium battery broke down in our hoverboard and caused the fire in his room. Thank you for watching this 2-Minute Tuesday video, and we'll see you next week. See ya!